There is what's called the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations, which is a body of law that applies specifically to commercial vehicles. And so the attorney that you hire has to know how to do those kind of cases. They have to be familiar with the rules. There's rules that regulate the hours of operation of a truck driver. Oftentimes a trucking case can be caused by driver fatigue, and if a driver has gone over the hours of operation, which have to be kept by a logbook and have to be kept by the trucking company, if they go over that and then cause a wreck and it's because of the fatigue, the trucking company can be held accountable. Same thing with the equipment that's being used. A truck that has bad brakes, that has lighting that's not working and things of that nature, and the trucking company knows or should have known about it, you can hold a trucking company accountable for that. Truck drivers and trucking companies aren't bad. They bring our goods across the country, and we're happy for them. But if they knowingly choose to put bad vehicles on the road that have faulty equipment, or bad drivers on the road, they have to be held accountable. And so you need an attorney that knows all of the rules and can use those rules, those federal regulations, to hold the trucking company accountable. And we are that firm that can handle those kind of cases. I myself have handled many tractor trailer cases and have successfully resolved these cases. We almost always have to file a lawsuit. We almost always have to depose the trucking company, that they're what's called a 30B6 witness, which is going to be usually their safety director or the owner of the company, the president of the company. You have to depose the driver, and these are dangerous type cases. It's obvious that a vehicle that weighs 80,000 pounds is going to cause more harm. You usually see significant injury and death in these cases, which is of course terrible, and we hate to see it. But we do hold the trucking company accountable for these kind of incidents.